Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Google reviews for your site in BigCommerce. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of those widgets is Google reviews. Now you want to click on sign up for free. You want to sign with Google or Facebook, it's really up to you, and just add email here. When you will have it, just click login. Right now here, you want to click on search and write here Google. You're gonna see it here, Google reviews. Let's create a widget. And now you have option. You can go with like reviews widget, carousel, grid, slider, list. We can choose the reviews widget normally. Let's continue with the template. And you want to write here the Google address. Then you get like layout here, the list, masonry, etc. I'm going to choose the list, review, but definitely write your address here and it will take like a few minutes to load it. Then you get like style and you can choose the colors which you want. When you will have it, let's click save here. When we got it, we're gonna see it here, the code. But right before that, you need to choose a plan. If you're just starting out with your site, go with the light version. But if you want to have like the basic or pro version, if you got more views, choose those. So if you have like 5,000 views or 50,000 views, go with these, with pro or basic. Now let's copy the code here. And now let's just add HTML. And let's delete this, save HTML and save. So I just pasted my code to HTML. Now we will see how the Google reviews looks like. And as you can see, it's on the left side. Now here's the question, how we can get it to the middle? Really easy. Take a layout, choose 3 columns. And what you want to do is just add the HTML into middle one. So right here, I want to add HTML. It will be to the middle, you will see. Save, save. And now when we load the site, perfect. And now what we want to do is just to put it to the middle like this. And voila, here we got Google reviews in the middle. Also, what I recommend, check all the other applications outside. If you like 2-3 more that you would like to use, definitely go with the all apps pack because you will save money. So thank you everybody. I hope you're going to have a great day. And if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.